I take this part? Rip open? Rip open, right?
Yes, rip it open.
Oh.
That's juice.
That's so gross. That's gross.
Look at him. It's his first time to eat balut. Let's see if he's gonna take it. Yeah, put salt on this.
This is the craziest.
Open it until the entire thing like gross. He said, I eat everything.
I do eat everything. Oh, oops. Run.
Yeah, open it. That's hard. Oh my god. Look at him.
It's not opening.
That's like that. Look, that one. No, just take that out. That's hard.
That whole thing?
Yeah. Just
Oh,
take
that's
that.
hard. What the heck?
So that. Look at the cheek. Look at the cheek.
Okay, wait. Ew. Oh.
Oh, show it. Show it the cheek. The cheek right there. That's an embryo right there. The white one. That's the cheek. You can put the whole thing in your mouth.
Just the whole thing?
Yeah, but put
I'm
a
not-
little bit of salt. Just don't put a lot. Just don't put a lot. Just to have a taste. Okay. Oh shoot. The challenge.
It's really good.
It's really good.
Mmm.
How's it?
Do you have another one?
Yeah, whatever. How does it taste? Tell me.
It tastes like an egg.
It's an egg, right? So people said it's gross. That's
It's not gross. It's yummy. Yummy. I like it.
it's yummy. So he eats the balut. Good. Good job.
I told you I